Greg Burkhardt here, founder and president of Rockaway Sustainable Landscape, bringing you March's newsletter. We've got a lot to talk about. Obviously, record-breaking lows throughout last month. Let's just say it makes the landscape game that much more fun going into March. As you know, we've just recently put out a text, or should know, text and email campaign for discounted rate as a valued maintenance client, a 20% off any removal of plant material that didn't fare well and it's either on the decline or dead because of the freeze, as well as any cleanup needs that we really need to expedite quickly getting into the spring versus chipping away at it week by week, getting into the grow season, if you will. So many of you, I think almost half, have reached out, and JP will be contacting you if he has not done already to make sure we're getting out there, reporting what we need to get your landscape back up to the speed, excuse me, after the freeze damage. We added a whole nother level of training to our crew level, and obviously how to protect against fungal activity post freeze. There's just so many variables that we're yet to really know the true effect of the freeze. So we're being as proactive as we can, but like I said, there's some that's going to be unknown even up next couple weeks, mid-March, even the end of March. But case by case, or literally plant by plant, that's what JP, crew leaders, and our staff in general are trying to determine. Will it come back? Is it worth the wait? Or is it beneficial just to replace it? It's a case-by-case situation, so we're doing our best to give you folks undivided attention. Again, the best way is with the care center. If you're not utilizing that, that's the most efficient way. It will get to JP and any support staff that we need to answer any of your concerns or get you pricing or information that you are requesting. So care center can be done directly from your phone. You should have received emails for that, how to get that set up. Or if you're not familiar or having trouble, just dial 914 outdoor, and Melissa certainly will get you hooked up on the best way to get that app on your phone. Or last but not least, you could go to our website, rockawayinc.com, scroll to the bottom, and there's a little section there that says Care Center, and you can upload pictures there or put your request in. So those three avenues are going to be the best way to reach out in the quickest manner for us to get back to you. From strictly March standpoint, we will be resuming every day or every week service in March. Or agronomically, you've got slow release granular fertilizer getting put down in your turf. We just recently put down this past month preventative weed applications, so the weeds popping up with the fert should be far and few between. If some do penetrate that barrier, we'll take care of them at the tech level when they come out and put the granular fert down. Irrigation will be set accordingly, and your next round of inspection will take place mid to late March. There might be some that trickle into April, but we'll be setting your clocks according to state law proactively to go into the grow season. Because although we're still fairly cool and we've got maybe another freeze event scheduled, it's going to warm up quick here, and we all know we tend to miss some rainfall going into May. So we'll have you inspected. We do encourage you to respond back if there are any proposals generated on need of work to get that system as efficient as we can before the official drought season hits us. Wintertime tasks, again, we're working really hard to get the brown out of your plant material and or recommend replacement, or in some cases, if you've got big birds and they kind of fall outside that window of contract, this is where JP will be assessing and giving you reports back. So highly encourage you to take advantage of that 20% off. Limited time, I should say, next few weeks, that will go away. that 20% savings opportunity. Mulch will come up at a discount opportunity in March. So keep that in mind as well. Be on the lookout for the texts from our team there. And we really look forward to 2026, continually serving you, and are excited about the up and coming grow season. Temperatures on the rise. We feel like we're really prepared at the crew level all the way up to our reporting level to serve you the best of our abilities. As always, if you have any what we like to call improvement ops, recommendations for improvement, we love to hear that. That's how we get better, and we rely on you, our valued customers, for that kind of feedback. With that said, happy March, happy spring coming, and God bless us all.